16-day cruise leaving New York. But there is a delay. The Concorde Airlines plans to use Sierra Charlie, the oldest Concorde in the fleet, has a fault on the thrust reverser on engine number 2. The repairs will hold up the flight for 2 hours. Meanwhile, there is confusion in the dispatching field. Over 1,000 pounds of extra luggage has been loaded, being recorded in the manifest.
Where you going, Robbie Bear? Bye, Robbie!